Hello everybody and welcome to the bouncy tutorial with the Belle brush. So if you have some rollers sitting in your drawer, now is the time to get them out and put them in use, because in this video I'm going to be giving you my top tips on how to create the biggest, bounciest blow dry. I know it seems like such a task, but trust me, once you get the hang, and especially if you use rollers, it is something that will last all day. So first of all, it's really important you choose the correct size of brushes when doing a big bouncy blow dry. So throughout this video, you're going to see me using our small, our medium, our large and our extra large, because the small is really good for getting right in at the roots if you have any small frizzy bits. The medium is really good for smoothing out those roots and creating volume. Your large is for the body of the hair and the extra large is to create the bounce. Where the rollers then come in, this is where you're going to get the hold. The blow dry brush will create the mold, the rollers will create the hold. Really good question was how do you stop the rollers from getting really knotty in the hair? This is about getting your clean sections. It's really important to take your sections super clean and roll the rollers up as clean as possible. When you have that done, blast with cold air to set them, and you can then start letting them down. This is going to give you a really high lift from the root and allow your blow dry to last all day. So you can just see the difference it makes. Every time you take a roller down, brush it through with the blow dry brush. This separates the hair, creating a thicker, fuller look. Finish with your favorite spray, oil, whatever product you use. There's no right or wrong way. And there you have it. The biggest, bounciest blow dry with the Belle brush.